welcome back to my channel. I have partnered up with Luisa to promote some Valentine's attire. I created a bunch of outfits to show you guys, but I also wanted to talk about their jewelry. They are a jewelry based out of New York. They have super dainty jewelry that looks perfect for any outfit. I love how they use like super sustainable and real materials. So normally I usually have sensitive skin to certain materials, and so far so good. I love them. They don't tarnish at all for me, so perfect. I'll be showing you 3 pieces. So right now I have these earrings on. They're so cute. I love how it's not like too bold of a statement. I'm not very into big statement pieces, so this would definitely be one of my all-time favorites if I kind of want to glam out. And then I also got this ring. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of like a, I don't know how to describe it, like a crossover, kind of like Greek looking. I definitely love it. It's so subtle, but it's like still so like stylish. And then the last set of earrings I got were kind of these like hoop, but it also has like a chain attached to it. So it has little crystals on it and it just dangles on your ear, and it's one of my favorites. So definitely a must for me. I am super surprised by their sense, or like their styles, just because I am a little picky with what I get for jewelry. So I would definitely recommend, and you guys should go definitely try it out. So I will cue the roll of the outfits I've created.